the chemical process in which a substance burns in air or oxygen with the release of heat and light energy is called combustion. The substance that undergoes combustion is called a combustible substance or fuel. Here magnesium ribbon burns. So magnesium ribbon is the combustible substance. During burning, magnesium ribbon release light and heat energy. So this process is a combustion. Okay. Combustible substance. Substances which burn in air to produce heat and light energy are called combustible substances. Wood, charcoal, coal, kerosene, diesel, liquefied petroleum gas, compressed natural gas, etc. are the combustible substances. Condition required for combustion. We can perform some activities like light of a candle. Fix a candle on a table. Light the candle, then observe the flame, then take a chimney whose top part is open and cover the candle and observe the flame. Now place a cardboard on the top of the chimney and observe the flame. In first case, the candle burns very brightly because of sufficient supply of air from the atmosphere. In the second case, candle flame become sooty and flickers as there is insufficient supply of air. In third case, the candle flame put off because the supply of air is completely off. So oxygen present in air helps in the combustion of a fuel. It is therefore called a supporter of combustion. So oxygen is a supporter of combustion. Different substances catch fire at different temperatures. So we can perform this with the help of one activity. Take two paper cup, half fill of one of them with water and keep the other empty. Take two spirit lamp. This is first spirit lamp and this is second spirit lamp. Okay. Put these two paper cups above the flame. What will you observe? The empty paper cup catches fire immediately. However, the paper cup containing water does not catch fire immediately and can be held for quite some time on the flame. This is due to the fact that the temperature of empty paper cup rises fast till it reaches the stage where it catches fire. In case of the other paper cup half filled with water, the temperature does not rise that fast as the water present also absorbs some heat. Hence, the cup does not catch fire. So, we can say that the lowest temperature at which the lowest temperature or minimum temperature at which a combustible substance catches fire is called ignition temperature. Okay.